sirventes I wish to make of the base gluttons who sell God and destroy the folk outright, and preach that they live in holiness and light. With fair faces they cover their treasons. The shares are not the same that they make of the goods of Jesus Christ the Lord, our true God, who with your blood our lives restored. See how the Holy Church is a venal game. And spiritual words they say, with a grieving voice and a heart that is sad of cheer. I think they are messengers of the Antichrist here. See if all ills can well issue from such a way, but God makes of it every day a fine amends. The higher they are raised in honors and in place, the lower they fall with pains and tears and disgrace. Of hell while another the income spends. To their kin and their heirs, and never was a donor such a friend to their sect, that he is not by them held as a beggar abject, if he does not make remembrance with gifts and prayers. He who knows and understands holy scriptures pages, little prized if he knows no trafficking's art, and does not know their disloyal law, which from the start makes wrong seem right and puts right in a cage.